Good morning to everyone. This is Shrija teacher. I welcome you to a presentation on Diwali. Today I am going to talk about the most beautiful holiday of Diwali, the Festival of Lights. Diwali is a great grand celebration by Indians celebrated in all parts of India and even most parts of the world. Before we begin with the presentation, I would like to start off with a short prayer, the Pavamana Mantra. Let's begin. Asatoma Satgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. This is a very beautiful mantra for the celebration of light. This mantra translates to from falsehood lead me to truth, from darkness lead me to the light, from death lead me to immortality. So, children, what is Diwali? Why is it even celebrated by people all over India? Diwali, also known as Deepavali, is the festival of lights which symbolizes the victory of truth. Children, always truth is winning. The word Diwali is derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, where Deepa means light and Avali means series. So, Deepavali means a series of light. Diwali is a grand festival celebrated all over India. Lights, fireworks, and sweets are the main attractions of Diwali. But why is Diwali such an important festival? Because Diwali symbolizes the victory of light over darkness. The prevalent story behind this is the victory of Lord Rama over the devil Ravana, and his return to Ayodhya after a 14 years of exile. Exile means Vanavas. So, the people of Ayodhya celebrated this by lighting candles and diyas. Hence, Diwali became the festival of lights. So, when is Diwali celebrated every year? Diwali is not celebrated on a specific day every year. The Indian calendar is based on the lunar cycle, unlike the Gregorian calendar. Diwali falls on the new moon in the month of Kartika in the Hindi calendar, which is around the month of October or November. How is Diwali celebrated? Well, we know we eat sweets and we burn firecrackers during Diwali. But is that all there is to it? No. Diwali is a lot more than sweets and firecrackers. People also clean their home, offices, and shops to welcome the goddess Lakshmi. People decorate their houses with lights, flowers, and rangolis. People buy new clothes and exchange gifts and sweets with the people around them. Children, do you know how many days do we celebrate Diwali? Diwali has 5 important days to eat. First day is celebrated as Vasubaras. This day is dedicated to cows as they are celebrated as gods by the Hindus. It is an important day for businessmen as it implies repaying one's financial debts. The second day of Diwali is Dhanteras, which is also considered as the first day of Diwali in many parts of India. On this day, people clean their homes and make beautiful rangolis and decorate with diyas. They also shop for new clothes, new utensils, silver, and gold. The third day is the Lakshmi Pujan, which is the main day of Diwali, will fall on 14th of November this year. People worship Lord Ganesha and Goddess Lakshmi that day. This is the New Year's Eve and it is considered as one of the most auspicious day to start new venture. Children, now the fourth day is Govardhan Puja. It was the day when Lord Krishna saved Vrindavan from the wrath of Lord Indra. And the fifth or final day of Diwali is celebrated as Bhai Dooj. It is dedicated to brothers and sisters and is one of the beautiful days. Children, we know the situation is different this time around. But we shall not let the pandemic hamper our festive spirits for this Diwali. We must adapt to the changes and take precautionary measures towards curbing the spread of COVID-19 while we gather for this festive season. Togetherness may be happiness, but we must never forget to use face masks and hand sanitizers and maintain social distancing. So, in this Diwali festival, we can fight the darkness of the pandemic with the light of wisdom. With this, I wish you in advance a very happy and safe Diwali. Thank you.